I am at the entrance to the beautiful Taita Hills Safari Resort and Spa. Taita Hills Safari Resort and Spa is a beautiful mid-range level accommodation lodge located in the Taita Hills Conservancy between Tsavo East National Park and Tsavo West National Park. It's a wildlife-rich area with 3 areas to do game drives, obviously, both Tsavo National Parks and here in the private conservancy. This lodging is a slight bit different in its kind of a little bit more cross between a luxury resort and a safari lodge. Wait till you see the infinity pool. They have a big wide bar with lots of drink selections and beautiful living areas to enjoy some downtime while you're on your safari. Come along with me and I'll show you some of the beautiful areas of the lodge. The rooms are very spacious, all of them with a view of the conservancy or the pool or other beautiful area to be seen. And if you're lucky when you come to the Taita Hills Conservancy, you'll have a few visitors right here on your balcony. The bathrooms are very modern with walk-in showers and plenty of hot water. The restaurant is a delightful area of buffet that features both Western and traditional African favorites. The reception area is beautiful with plenty of areas to sit and enjoy the atmosphere. And for a mid-range accommodation in a safari area, how about this infinity pool that overlooks the conservancy? So there you have it, Taita Hills Conservancy and the Taita Hills Safari Resort and Spa in the Conservancy and near the Tsavo East and West National Parks. We hope that you'll consider the Taita Hills area when you come on your safari to Kenya.